Hello my beautiful and handsome people. Welcome to the Lembesis channel, and I trust God that you all are doing absolutely great today. Alright guys, do you know that when you deprive yourself from good quality night sleep in the night, it affects you a lot? It's not helping you at all. Oh yes, it's not helping you at all. Yeah, because it affects both your mental and physical health, guys. So let's always ensure and maintain a good quality night sleep. When it is time for us to sleep in the night, let us sleep. The workload will always be on top of our table. Today we are surrounded with a lot of things to take care of, but let's always schedule time and give ourselves that good quality night sleep. For when we do not do that, we are not helping ourselves. Yeah, we are not helping ourselves at all. Do you know that some people inside 24 hours can have just 2 hours to sleep? It's not good to your brain, it's not good to your body. Okay, so let's always try to always have a good moment to sleep in the night. Okay, so today we shall be talking on some few negative effects on lack of good quality night sleep. Alright my beautiful people, do you know that when you lack quality night sleep, it makes it difficult for you to take good decisions and even solve problems? Yeah, because your brain is tired, your body is tired, ideas won't flow, the mind is not fresh to reproduce good ideas, to reproduce good decision making. Okay, so let's always have it in mind that no matter the workload on our table, we should always sleep in the night. Yeah, and not just sleep, or give ourselves a good quality night sleep. All right. Secondly, my beautiful people, do you know that when you do lack sleep in the night, or you do not sleep in the night, do you know that the next day it makes you to become heavy and lazy? Yeah, it does. So it makes you to become heavy and lazy. Some of you can testify to what I'm saying. It does. In whatsoever thing you are doing the next day, in carrying on your daily activities, why you feel heavy and lazy, but rather you feel as to doze off, to sleep off, or to just be yourself. Why? Because your body or your brain is not a machine. It's not a machine to be working 24 hours without resting. 24 hours that even in the night that is meant for you to sleep, you are not sleeping. So let's always try to give in to good quality night sleep, okay my beautiful people, so that we will feel energized the next day to carry out with our daily activities. Thirdly, do you know that when you deprive yourself from good quality night sleep, it makes it difficult for you to retain or remember things out, because your brain is tired and you can't cheat nature. Yeah, you can't cheat nature. Okay, do you know that when you do not sleep in the night, it makes it difficult for you to carry on your tasks in a shorter duration? In whatsoever thing you are doing, you are even likely to make mistakes. Yeah, and something that you could take 30 minutes in doing, you can take 1 hour or 2 hours in doing that thing, because the body is not sharp, the body is not fluent. It needs rest, it needs to sleep. Alright, let's always give into sleep, okay my beautiful people. When it is due time for us to sleep, let's sleep, so that the next day we will carry on with our beautiful activities perfectly. Alright my beautiful people, and when you do that, you are going to enjoy the health benefit of sleep. Why am I saying so? When you give yourself that good quality night sleep in the night, it helps to improve your memory the next day. Wow, is that not interesting? It does. Not just improving your memories for ideas to flow, it also makes you to feel alert, it makes you to feel motivated, it makes you to feel engaged and committed. Oh my God, is that not nice? Is that not beautiful? So let's always give into good quality night sleep in the night, okay my beautiful people. And physically, do you know that when you give into a good quality night sleep, it helps to boost your immune system? Yeah, it does. And when it boosts your immune system, it helps you to fight common infections, because your immune system will become strong enough to fight common infections. Is that not lovely? Let's always try to always give into our good quality night sleep, okay my beautiful people. In that note, I am going to end here guys. I love you all so much, and to you my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming in, thank you for always tuning in. I love you so much, and I appreciate you guys a lot. And you that is watching this video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, okay, so that you will be notified each time we come up with a new video. And please guys, do not forget that no matter how the workload is on top of the table, when it is the due time for you to sleep, okay? Sleep so that you will energize yourself for the next day to carry on your activities well. And don't forget to share the video, please. Share the video, guys, so that others too can as well benefit from this our healthy and natural tips that we share each day. From me to you is love. Remain healthy and glowing. Bye for now.